How to save reminders or any upcoming events on the device. Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Talks. If you have any upcoming events or any special dates but you are afraid you will forget it. But don't worry, we got you covered. You can actually set reminders on your device. So how to do it? So first thing first, open your calendar app on your device. Now here on top right hand side of your screen, you will find this plus icon. So tap on it. So this will basically help you add an event. Now here you will find different options. So here tap on this from icon and then set the date and time when the event is. Select the day and date and then select the time. So once you select everything, tap on OK. Now if you want to extend the event, simply tap on 2 and change the date. Now next thing is the reminder. So when to set the reminder. So tap on this reminder icon and then select the time when you actually want the event to be reminded. So here you will find different options like 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, a day before, or a week before. If you want to select custom time, simply scroll down all the way to bottom and then select custom. And then select the time when you want to be reminded about the event. And then simply tap on OK. And once you do that, go back and simply turn this option on alarm reminders. So once you do that, you are almost ready. You can even scroll down to add more details. You can also add event name by going on top and then tapping on this event name icon. And then simply name the event whatever you want. And once you set everything, tap on this tick icon located on top right hand side of your screen. And here you can see event has been successfully created and you will be reminded the day before or whatever time you have set to be reminded. So this is how you can create event and set reminder on your device. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials. Subscribe.